Hey, I'm Coy, owner of Cutthroat Customs. Started as a simple idea back in 2019 to build a true one-stop shop for motorcycles and powersports. Turned into my reality in 2020. Fast forward to today, we're fully up and running, right here in my hometown, Grande Prairie, Alberta. The shop was born from a lifelong passion for anything with a motor. Honestly, it's mean, fast, and fun. I've probably worked on it. Cutthroat Customs isn't your average repair shop. Sure, we handle diagnostics and maintenance, but we also design, build, paint, and fabricate. We take pride in going the extra mile to make sure every project is top-notch. But here's the thing, we're a small team of two here. Haley handling parts in the front desk, myself as the mechanic. Managing everything efficiently was a challenge. Keeping track of invoices, parts, and day-to-day operations was eating up a lot of our time. That's why I started looking for a solution. After a ton of research, Torque360 stood out. Why? It's user-friendly, efficient, and doesn't break the bank. Perfect for a small capacity shop like ours. The lower operational fees made sense, and honestly, the team at Torque360 have been great to work with from the start. Torque360 is a great software for motor repairs. Since we've been using it, everything flows better. My personal favorite feature, the job order, creating estimates, and invoicing. They've completely changed how we operate. If you're wondering how likely I am to recommend Torque360 to other shops, it's absolutely a 10 out of 10. If you want to improve your efficiency, keep your operations organized, this is the tool you need.